Hi everyone, welcome to Skill Up with Umar. I am already introduced myself in my first video, and now I am telling you in this video practice how to practice alone in your home and different places if you can want to learn easily. The practice is the most important thing in English. If you join your academy and pay money, it is not important. If you are not practicing in your home, you are not speaking English. Because I think the practice is the most important thing in English. And now I am telling you to one thing practice: shadow. I know that some people know what is shadow. Shadow means image. You can take your mobile phone and another device. If you want to take your camera, if you have, and now if you in the front of your mobile or device, you can choose one topic and speak. And speak 30 and 40 minutes only any topic. You can speak these topics and choose difficult words and sentence and make a sentence in this word. One word you can make a sentence to 10 or 15 sentence on your own one verse, and the second verse on same sentence. If all the sentence are not good, but you make the sentence, then you improve your English in reading and writing. And if you any join academy and you not practice, you are not speaking English. And fifth thing is picture. You can the thing is practice. One is shadow and second picture. You can choose one picture on your mobiles and laptops, any device you can use. If you want, you can. If you have, you can choose one picture and sentence about that picture. You can make 20 and 25 sentence on this picture, and in that way you can improve your English 100 to 50% improving your English. I am and if you can practice on in both things, you can improvement of your English into 50 to 99% you can improvement in this practice. See you in the next video. I hope you like my videos, and thank you. Bye bye.